Hello children, in today's video we are going to see about the major crops under the chapter Agriculture. The major crops. The crops are classified into food crops, fiber crops and beverage crops. The food crops are the wheat, rice, maize and millets. Fiber crops, the jute and cotton. The beverage crops, tea and coffee. Each and every crop we will see in detail in this video. Rice. So it is one of the major food crops of the world, and it is the staple diet of the regions tropical and subtropical, and this is the kharif crop. This crop requires the temperature of about 25 degrees Celsius, high humidity and rainfall above 100 centimeter, and it grows best in the alluvial clayey soil. Here the leading producer of rice is China, and other leading producers are India, Japan, Sri Lanka and Egypt. The next crop is the wheat. It is the staple crop and the second most important crop of India after rice. It requires moderate temperature and rainfall during the growing season, and also it requires bright sunshine at the time of harvest and ripening. In India, it is grown in winter. The temperature required is below 25 degrees Celsius and rainfall about 50 to 75 centimeter. It grows in a well-drained loamy soil. It is grown in very large scale in countries like USA, Canada, Argentina, Russia, Ukraine, Australia and India. Here comes the millets. They are also known as coarse grains. Jowar, bajra and ragi are millets commonly grown in India. Millets are grown even in a less fertile and sandy soil. They can even grow in low rainfall regions with high to moderate temperature. Here if you notice, they have the high nutritional value. For example, ragi, it is rich in iron, calcium, roughage and other micronutrients. Other countries where this grain is grown millets are grown are Nigeria, China and Niger. Maize. So maize, it is both a food crop and a fodder crop. It requires moderate temperature, that is from 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and rainfall 75 centimeter. For the growth, it requires lots of sunshine and it grows in well-drained fertile soil. You can see the abundance growth of this maize in USA, Brazil, China, Russia, Canada and Mexico. Next we'll see about the fiber crops. This cotton, it requires the high temperature, light rainfall and 210 frost-free days a year, bright sunshine for its growth. And it is grown best on the black soil. Even the black soil is otherwise called as the cotton soil. So this fiber crop, it grows well in the black soil. It requires about 6 to 8 months for maturing. So the leading producers of cotton are China, USA, India, Pakistan, Brazil and Egypt. For the cotton textile industry, this cotton is the raw material. Next comes the jute. Jute, it is also known as the golden fiber. So it grows on well-drained, fertile alluvial soil. For the growth, it requires high temperature, heavy rainfall and humid climate, and it is grown mainly along the deltaic region, the river deltas in the tropical regions of the world. The leading producers of jute are India and Bangladesh. Next we'll see about the beverage crop, coffee. So it requires warm and wet climate. Coming to the soil, it requires well-drained loamy soil. So for this cultivation, hill slopes are more suitable. Leading producers are Brazil, Colombia and India. 4% of the world's coffee is produced in India, and Indian coffee is known for its quality. Coming to the another beverage crop, that is tea. It is also a plantation crop. So it requires cool, frost-free climate, abundant rainfall, and of course the soil, it should be well-drained loamy soils. So this can be grown on the gentle slopes that can be terraced for cultivation. It is also known as a labor-intensive crop. That is, it requires a large number of skilled labor to pluck the leaves. So here the leading producers of the best quality tea in the world are Kenya, China and Sri Lanka. Yes children, in the next video we will be seeing in detail about the agricultural development and agriculture in India in detail. Thank you, children.